Hey, so just to talk a little bit about the project. I don't have a lot of free time right now, so I can't really make 3 or 4 videos a week like I was doing at the beginning, but this is temporary, don't worry. Also, some people said now he's playing Rimworld, he's not making his game anymore. No, it's just like I work 10 hours a day on a shitty project just for money. And yeah, so I like to play Rimworld after the end of my 10-hour coding session. And I don't have the motivation to uh, basically code my game after 10 hours of coding. So yeah, I work on the game on the weekends and sometimes the night, but yeah. So I did not abandon this project. This is a project I want to release. I just don't have a lot of time for the next months. So I will work on the game only on the weekends, basically. But I will still try to make at least 1 or 2 videos a week. And meanwhile, I will continue my Rimworld playlist because, well, this is the way I take time for me, basically, yeah. So anyway, this video is about food management and food, looking for food, basically, for the characters. So yeah, hope you enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye. Hi, so last time we did the chicken movement and started with the behavior trees for the characters. And yeah, so now the chicken is kind of getting tired, and when he's tired, he's going to find a spot to sleep, and then he sleeps, right? So yeah, and while he's not doing that, he's moving randomly to a child, right? And then he finds a spot to sleep. He's sleeping. We need a fix for this, but yeah. So I would like to do multiple stuff in this episode, but first of all, we kind of need the chicken to eat. And so the chicken will eat the grass, right? So yeah, we are going to do something simple for this. And I don't want to do biome and stuff like this in this video, but I think we'll need to think at least about the spawner system, the spawning system for the chicken. Maybe make a class called animal spawner. And we'll also need some property for the for the buckets, right? So yeah, so maybe a class like this, or a struct actually. Right, something like this with some data like some stuff like this, right? Some, I don't know, doing random stuff, but basically we update this when we add any time in a bucket, and this way we have a quick way to know if there is food in the bucket. So right. So let's add right, and when you initialize this, which is not and this should be 0 to start with, and do that. Okay, then let's go constructor, because maybe some of them will not be 0 when we initialize. Right. Yeah, we have no properties, so I guess we'll do a class then. Yeah, because this is dynamic anyway, and we'll never need to save this, so yeah. So when we add a tileable here, okay. Maybe we want something like a callback. Uh, yeah, yeah, I kind of want this, but here, right, and this will be, maybe we want to make this in the function, but for now, let's do a typeable def type equal. I don't remember this. Yeah, so basically we want how do we do this? Maybe we want a list of available type who contain all the vegetable food, but maybe we want to use the database for this. For now, let's just do. Yeah, let's just do this, right? And something like this, right? And here, what we do is, do we have a food value for this? Not really. So I guess the food value should be between 0 and 1. So do we add the food def? Yeah, maybe we do want to do this. So yeah, sure. Do we? So this is just a number like the fertility rate. So how do I call this? Energy food value. Sure, let's put this food value for now, but I don't like this word. Nutriments. Sure, let's call this nutriments. I don't know why. Maybe we want also a bool like interval. Yeah, maybe we want some list of food origins, right? Like for the animals, humans. Yeah, for now we're not going to do this then. Right. So then let's rename this to right. And basically here, actually we can do something. Yeah, no, because it's only for grass, right? Right, and we kind of do the same shit here. Yeah, we're going to do that first. Yeah, correct. And maybe we want some class called world utility, or yeah. I'm gonna make a new class called in, right. And here we want, for example, we want something like this, right? Yeah. And maybe we want, yeah. Yeah, I really need to make a function for this, but right. Yeah, I know. But I have something for this, right? Get label, get bucket. Yeah. Hmm. I don't remember. Oh yeah. Yeah, maybe I will change this, but for now let's just do this. Yeah. But I'm gonna do. Right. So yeah, thing like this. Yeah, this should be fine. And here we return. So then we return a bucket result instead of a bool, right? Something like this. No. Yeah, maybe I want a flag system for the full later or something like this, but for now we'll do this. Right. So we also need to be able to know if the character is hungry. So, yeah. Hunger. I kind of need to, how do I say this? Be able to define a vital without a modifier, right? So we don't have a constructor. Oh yeah, we do. So we need another one, right? We want the value actually, yeah. Oh, seriously? Oh, it's base value, right? Then in animal, no, in base character, or in character stat actually. Right. So maybe I should do this differently, but for now this is going to be. So let's check this is working, right? The character, 32. Okay. Problem. I guess the vital is not defined, but why? Because oh yeah, actually, we should do something like this, right? We should, yeah. I don't think that's a problem, but we'll see. Sometimes it's slow, sometimes it's fast. I don't understand why. I think it's just Unity on Linux making weird stuff, but fine. Did I while? While. What? What? Okay. Yeah, Unity on Linux is weird sometimes. We have the same problem, so the K was not present in this dictionary, right? Does that mean here that we do at the vital, right? So the key is, and this is an else, so it's one of the other, right? Yeah. Ah, but we call base. Oh yeah, that's bad. Yeah, because this is not frustrated. Yeah. So yeah, that's all right. But it's not still that's not the problem, I think. But yeah, so I need to call base here. Right. We didn't add the key in the dictionary. Oh, oh, just we don't have a color for this, right? This is is it a def loader for the colors? Palettes. Yeah, let's use the same color for now, because I really don't care. And let's also, something is annoying me since we started this. I need to, yeah. this, I need to run this. Okay. So yeah, we have 200. That's not supposed to happen. Oh, I know why. Because I use the buff value, right? I set the buff value to max because I'm stupid, I think. So now this should be good. Yeah. Okay. And we need the hunger to decrease, right? All the time, basically. So in character start, in update. Right. They don't care. And I need to adjust the value of this, obviously, but now we just do that. But we're supposed to eat more than we sleep, right? So, yeah, okay, so that's decreasing. Maybe I want to eat one and yeah, actually, let's do this. Let's do let's do something like this for now, right? And then we just need for the animals, let's say all animals are vegetarian now, because why not? So I kind of need to do this, to copy this, right? And I'm gonna call it eat the because it's not yeah, because human can eat veggies, but we can't eat grass, right? So how do I limit this? Yeah, I'm gonna do something. So eat veggies for now. Let's call this eat veggies, right? And I'm gonna call this eat veggies. And what the fuck? Oh yeah. Oh, that's okay. So TaskEat. This needs to be modified. So let's keep this like this, right? Yeah. And in animal, in best character actually, no, it didn't. Yeah, we need to. So we are going to remove this. And in animal, yeah. So here we are gonna do brain node, add soup node, new eat veggies node with this dot stats dot vitals dot hunger. Let's say 0.25, yeah. So if we are hungry, I'm missing a parenthesis here. No. So yeah, So in all details, let's do something like, yeah, we have this, right? And maybe I should return the... Maybe I should return the target here. This will always be true, right? So yeah, it always. I mean, I will always have a whatever, right? Um, so yeah. So basically, what we want to do is in veggies here, we want to do right. Um, right, and how is this possible? This should be good, right? This is in 5 hours, right? I'm stupid. Alright, and maybe we don't want the closest for now, but later we will. Here we want to null, but optimally what we want to do here, if we want something more, we want to order the animal to change region, maybe go back to the spawning region, because we will, in our algorithm to spawn chicken, we will make sure we have food in the region we spawn the chickens, right? So yeah. So we look for food, right? And then for food, we will just return a target with the food with a task eat food. We need to define the task, so let's copy this. Task eat, right? Yeah, eat, right? And then we need to code the eating, right? copy this. Right. I'm gonna save this. So what do we want to do for eating? Right, we need basically to so we have the title, right? Yeah. Do we? I don't remember how this works. Oh yeah, we have the entity, right? So yeah, kind of bad at. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. This should work. So we want to do obviously we want to find the highest food source or stuff like this later, but just to make the best system here. Right. And then we basically want to destroy the table, right? That's it. And return true, right? And maybe we... But this is not supposed... Well, yeah, this is impossible, so... And what does the destroy do in Tailable? Not sure actually. Does it do something? Yeah. So this should be fine, right? Maybe I should do yeah, so yeah, let's just test like this, but I'm not sure it will remove the... Well, let's check this. Just really unboxing, sure. So we'll eat some food when starting to find something to eat now. He was sleeping. I don't think he's eating. Maybe I want to display the current action here somewhere. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna do this quickly. So let's close all of this. Let's go to UI, window character, and here let's just add do something like this, right? So this should display the task we are currently going to do. Yeah, TaskEat all. I think it says that there is a bug here, but I'm gonna do this like this, right? And this is shitty, but this is just for debugging, right? So TaskEat all. TaskEat all. It should do those things, right? And then it's sleeping. So there is two possible reasons for this. The first one is I'm stupid, and I think that's the answer. Yeah. Yeah. Because yeah. So if we don't initialize the class, this could never work, right? So yeah. So now he's supposed to look for food when this is inferior. That's the next, but he's still idling. So, but then now he's going to go to sleep. Yeah. So I said there was two possible. I'm gonna do something because this is annoying me. I'm gonna command this, command this, and this. Yeah. And what we are going to do is the other possibility is here. Well, result could be null or so yeah, result could be null or the food could be not updated. I'm gonna check this. Do something like this because this should be called, right? And if this is not called, this is the first condition with bad. When this is inferior to 25, yeah, false. Okay. So does that mean we have a problem with this? So this return false only here, right? So that means that vegetable nutriments is always null, which is weird. Because why? Maybe the bucket is not the... Yeah, this is working. I tested this all time, so... But still, let's do just in case, but that's not the problem. The problem is the update, right? So that means this is never called, right? Not this. This. Yeah, because I didn't set the nutriment for the grass, right? That's quite obvious, actually. So yeah, I need to set like, let's say, and obviously we want this to depend on the raw level of the plant, but for now I really don't care, right? I just want the chicken to eat plants. So okay, now we have now. How can this be new? What? Oh, this is an array. That's interesting. But how can this be new? Oh yeah, this can be new, right? There's no reason. So maybe we should use but we need to think about this, and I think this will be the next video, so let's just use this for now. And this is not optimized, but like I said, I just want this to work, and we'll leave the optimization for later. So now we're going to try to find something to eat. Or just TaskEat, right? And you are going... What the fuck? I think he's eating the same shit in... That's weird. Yeah, he's eating the plants, right? But... yeah. So let's do something smarter. So I think this is working, but let's do one here, right? Yeah, let's do one, and let's add more chicken and watch them decimate the map. So in game here, let's do let's add 20 chickens. I need to remove the debug also. This will be slow otherwise. Hey, so many chicken. But why are they? Oh yeah, because that's interesting. Yeah, I need to find the closest one, right? Because they will always go in the same order, and they all try to eat the same one, so that's bad, right? Because actually we have something to resolve the tiles. So first let's remove this annoying debug. Yeah. Here, so well, actually this should be done automatically, right? No? Oh, this shit. Target. So So when we unqueue a target, we do reserve this here. So we just need to take this into account in our this shit in world. Yeah. Here, table default name and then available dot properties, I think. Oh no, this is not working like this. How is it working? Yeah, okay. So this is shitty, right? Because we need basically we need a function with finding the closest one and check the reserved stuff. But we'll do that after. I just want to see this work. So now that should go here still, but not for the same one. See? Now they're not going for the same one because of the reservation system. And I have no error from the tick system. That means, yeah. Now they will just eat from down to top, right? Yeah. They sure eat a lot, right? But either is still sleeping. Let's check one. I don't know the one I have selected right now because my UI is shitty. So he's sleeping, then he just ate, then he's idle. He will eat again now, I think, yeah. And then he will sleep, and yeah, this way is now he's sleeping. Then when he woke up, he's gonna eat again. Yeah, so basically 2 meals a day, one before sleeping and one after. That's good. So yeah, that's the base of the food, right? Obviously, we need to optimize this. We don't want them to always go down in the bucket list, right? We don't want them to do this. Because if we draw the buckets here and show the gizmo, right, for now they will also always do like this, right? This angle, like, yeah, because that's how we for each in the bucket, right? But obviously we want the closest one from them, right, who is available, and yeah. So we'll do an enumerable function here. This will return, no, not this, right, this. This will return an enumerable, a list of tailables, and we'll have a static method who finds the closest one, right, from a position, and also under the reserved tag. Yeah, so yeah. So I think this is going to be all for today. I'm sorry I don't have a lot of time right now, but I will see you next time and we'll improve this.